One way to reduce fuel consumption and impact on the environment is by keeping vessels in prime condition. Marine growth on the hull can increase underwater drag and reduce fuel efficiency. Hence, regular maintenance and cleaning is essential. Underwater cleaning operations are labor-intensive, requiring highly specialized human divers. Due to the limited availability of trained personnel, inherent risks, and even regulatory restrictions in some locations, such operations are also costly. While current solutions using underwater remotely operated vehicles are able to reduce the reliance on human divers, they have limited capabilities when it comes to curved surfaces such as propellers or bulbous bows. Dive Marine Services is looking for remotely operated and ultimately autonomous solutions to reduce the costs and risks associated with using human divers to clean these curved underwater surfaces. Suitable startups will have access to testing facilities and guidance from Dive Marine Services.